Beavers don't control rivers, they restore flow. By building dams, they slow water, spread it across the floodplain, and create rich wetlands where fish, birds, insects, and plants all flourish. They're not seeking attention, they're simply doing what they're here to do. And in the process, they regenerate the whole landscape. That's the power of serving the field. Hi, I'm Phillip Daffara, futurist architect and poet, sharing insights from my upcoming book on the emergent laws of regenerative power. In a mechanistic world, leaders are trained to serve their organisation first, protect the brand, defend the budget, grow the metrics. But in a regenerative world, the real question becomes, are you serving your silo or the living systems that holds you? When you learn to serve the field, ecological, cultural, social, and more than human, power stops being a tug of war. It becomes a current that moves through you, amplifying your impact far beyond your job description. Regenerative power arises when you tend conditions rather than control outcomes. Instead of forcing change, you steward relationships, flows, and feedback loops so that the system can organise itself. You're not the hero of the story. You're part of the ecosystem, working with its intelligence rather than against it. Many Aboriginal cultures in Australia embed this law through totemic relationships. If your totem is a kangaroo or a particular tree or place, you don't own it, you belong to it. You carry responsibility for its well-being. Stewardship isn't a job description, it's identity. That is serving the field. Everyone tending their part so country as a whole can thrive. As system thinker Donella Meadows reminds us, we can't impose our will on a system. We can listen to what the system tells us and discover how its properties and our values can work together to bring forth something much better than could ever be produced by our will alone. If you're ready to shift from serving silos to serving the living systems that hold you, take action. Let's explore the power of tending conditions so regenerative change becomes inevitable, not forced. Reach out and let's co-create regenerative futures together.